Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are we going to do your makeup today?
Like a deer.
Like a deer?
Yeah.
I'm going to get some dark shadow scents.
Yeah.
Some garnet shadow scents. And I'm going to do it along her forehead.
Yeah.
And along her cheekbones here. And along the side of her nose. Yep. So first we're going to start with brown.
Brown.
Brown. Garnet. Can you say garnet?
Garnet.
Not too dark.
Not too dark.
Does it look pretty?
Yeah. We're doing like a deer.
We are doing like a deer, huh?
We're tapping this.
Are you going to sit so still while we do your face like a deer, Olivia?
No.
You're not going to sit still?
I can sit still.
Oh, you are going to sit still. Good.
It's a duck.
What's so dark? The brown?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting dark, huh? Is that silly?
Yeah.
That is kind of silly, huh?
Like a deer.
Like a deer. Alright, so now we're going to put some, look at the camera. We're going to put some. Now we're going to put sandstone pearl. Can you say sandstone pearl?
Sandstone pearl.
Yeah. And we're going to put that on your face in dots.
Okay. Polka dots.
Polka dots.
Polka dots. Shorty. Polka dots.
I'm just blotting this on.
Yep.
And then I'm going to kind of
Yeah.
put it on a little bit better with my finger, but right now I just want it all in the right spots.
That looks awesome.
That looks awesome? Oh, good. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay. What do you guys say? What are you guys up to?
We are Numberland.
No, you can't watch Numberland. You're grounded from Numberland. I'm going to put some on my finger to try and cover up the funny looking ones. Should we cover up the funny looking ones? Do you like seeing yourself?
Yeah. Yeah.
Were you so excited when Mommy said you could do a video with me today?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Okay, look at my ear right here. Do you see my ear?
Yeah.
Look at my nose. Very good. You're kind of silly. We're gonna highlight a little bit on her face so that it's not too dark. So I'm gonna put some sandstone pearl underneath her eyes. What do you think? Is that pretty?
Yeah.
Okay, should we do your nose black? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Show them how still you can sit.
It's like a goat.
It's like a goat?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're doing it like a deer, huh?
Yeah.
Oops, you drooled on me. I have drool dripping down to my elbow. Just didn't want you guys to think this was too much fun or anything. Okay, keep your lips separate. Good job. All right, on the bottom lip, we're going to do first love. Can you say first love? Okay, now do it without yawning. Can you say first love?
Just Mommy got
Stop touching. She's getting black all over it. Do you like when Mommy does your makeup?
Yeah.
We're going to put on some more blackberry on your nose while we wait for that to dry.
Jessica.
Put it on your lips. Okay, now rub your lips together. Very nice. What do you think, Livy? Do you look so cute?
Mm-hmm.
I do think you need some eyebrows. I think it looks kind of funny to have eyeshadow and no eyebrows. Show them your eyebrow. That's so silly, you only have one eyebrow. Alright, let me do your other eyebrow. Don't move it. If your eyebrows are crooked, it's not my fault. You're holding them in funny positions.
Uh-oh.
Are you doing your eyebrows funny? Ooh! What do you think, Olivia? So cute?